Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar and I'm going to demonstrate how to deploy a Python Flask application which accesses a Mongo database in Kubernetes minikube using Helm. Helm is the Kubernetes package manager. It helps us to manage the Kubernetes applications. Let us start the demo by creating a Helm chart. Let us create a new directory, new chart. Now let's create a new Helm chart using the helm create command. We are going to give the name as visitor as the Python Flask application is going to process the visitor information. So we have created a chart. Let's get into the folder. So this folder, it has the chart.yaml file, values.yaml file and two directories, charts and templates. Let's explore them in detail. Okay, first let's explore the charts.yaml file. The charts.yaml file, it has the information about this particular chart. So it has the API version, the app version, and the name of the chart, and a description about what this chart is all about, and the version number, which is in the sim version format. Now let's explore the values.yaml file. So the values.yaml file contains the default configuration of the chart. So you can define the default values which the different resources in this chart uses in this values.yaml file. And then we could see there is a templates folder, so which has a deployment, sample deployment YAML, ingress YAML and service.yaml and two other files, node.txt and the helpers.tpl defined. So this helpers.tpl, here you can define your templates which we can use across the different resources in the chart. So in our case, what we are going to do is, I have already created the deployment.yaml and the service.yaml files for my application. So I'm going to replace these files with that. In the helpers.tpl file, you can see I have defined two templates. One is name and the other one is full name. So you will be seeing that we are going to use this full name template in our deployments. Let's check the deployment.yaml file. So here we have defined two deployments, one for the Mongo container and the other one for the visitor application. So here you can see everywhere we are using the template full name. So in this way we can avoid the conflict and the containers are associated with a particular release. And you can see like we are using the information what has been provided in the values.yaml file. So we are going to pick up the information from values.yaml file and replace it here. Similarly in the service.yaml file also you can see that we are using the template defined. In the values.yaml file you can see we have defined the default configuration for the visitor chart. Now let us go and deploy this particular chart. Now let us deploy this chart in Kubernetes minikube using the helm install command. Before that, let's check the status of the minikube. So it is correctly configured. Let's set the environment. Now let's do the install. Before that, we need to do the helm init. Now let us install the helm chart by using the helm install command. Helm install, and we are going to give the name for the release, that is the demo, and then the name of the chart. You can see the Mongo container creation is pending and this container is getting created. Let's check the status, helm status, and then the name of the release. So we could see the visitor container is running and then the Mongo container is getting created. So now both the containers are running and we could see it has been associated with a node port 31614. So we will be able to access the application by pointing to the port number 31614. Now let us access the application in the browser and check. Before that, let's get the IP of the minikube because we are running our application in the minikube. Let's provide the minikube IP, HTTP 192.168.99.100 and the port number 31614. So we could see our application getting launched. So let's perform some operations. We are going to add a visitor. So let's add a visitor, test user 1, and then test user 1 at test.com, and then some numbers as phone number. Then let's put the date of visitors today, and then click submit. Now let's get the list of visitors. So we could see the new visitor which has been added coming as part of the list of users. We have successfully deployed our Python Flask application in Kubernetes minikube using Helm. Thanks for watching the demo.